Good morning, everyone. Before we start, do you remember what we discussed in our past lessons? Anyone? Yes, Trisha.
We discussed different grammar rules, including subject-verb agreement, plural form of words, pronouns, and tenses of verbs.
That's right. So for today, we will do a fun group activity to practice your English grammar and what you have learned in the past weeks. Speaking in English can be tricky, and today we will practice using them correctly along with other basic grammar rules. For this activity, you will work in groups and discuss sentences, finding mistakes, and correcting them. This will help your grammar and also your speaking skills. I will show you 10 sentences, one at a time. Some sentences have mistakes and some are correct. Your job is to decide if the sentence has a mistake or not, and if it does, you need to fix it. Are you ready?
Yes.
Please divide into groups of 5. Each group will get a whiteboard and a marker. Assign one representative from your group for every number. If there are 10 sentences, each person should be responsible for 2 sentences. Make sure that each member will be a representative at least twice, alright? Great. Anyone who has no group? If none, here's how it works. I will show you a sentence on the screen. Your group will discuss the sentences together if it has a mistake. If it's correct, write no error on your whiteboard. If it has a mistake, your representative will rewrite the sentence correctly on the board. After each sentence, I will ask the representative to explain what they changed and why. The group with the most correct answers will get plus 5 points on the worksheet. Remember, talk with your group and explain your ideas. Let's begin. Choose your first representative. Here's our first sentence. They're going to the store later. I'll give you 3 minutes to discuss with your groups. Raise your hand when you're done. Again, the first sentence is they're, T-H-E-I-R, going to the store later. Time is up. Group 1, what's your answer?
They're or they are going to the store later.
Good. Can you explain what you changed?
Our group changed their, T-H-E-I-R, to their, T-H-E-Y, apostrophe R-E, or they are, because their, T-H-E-I-R, shows possession, which is not correct for this sentence.
That's right. Good work. Moving on to the second sentence. I have lose my keys yesterday. I have lose my keys yesterday. Time's up. Group 2, what's your answer?
I lost my keys yesterday. We changed lose to lost because it was mentioned in the sentence that the action happened yesterday. So we need to use the past tense of the verb.
That is correct. Did everybody get that right? Now, moving on to our third sentence. There are many people in the park today. Again, there are many people in the park today. Time's up. Group 3, what's your answer?
Our group's answer is no error.
That is correct. The sentence has no errors. Who got that right? Let's move on to our fourth sentence. He is taller than, T-H-E-N, his brother. Remember to discuss with your group mates. Time's up. Group 4, what's your answer?
He is taller than his brother. T-H-A-N.
What did you change in your sentence?
We changed then with than to show comparison.
That's right. You have a sharp eye. Did all groups see that? Then and then are commonly interchanged when used in sentences, so make sure that you're careful when using those words. Now for the last sentence, she do not like to eat bananas. Again, she do not like to eat bananas. Everybody done? Group 5, what's your answer?
Our answer is no error.
Alright, who has a different answer than Group 5? Yes, Group 3, what's your answer?
She does not like to eat bananas.
Why did you change do to does?
Because the subject of the sentence, which is she, is singular. Therefore, the verb should be singular as well.
That's correct. Remember, the verb do is used for plural subjects, while does is for singular. Very good, Group 3. That's the end of our activity. Excellent work, everyone. Remember, some of the errors mentioned in the sentences during the activity are commonly mistaken, so always check your sentences carefully. Now the winner of our activity is Group 3. Congratulations. You'll get plus 5 in our next worksheet. Write your names in a piece of paper so I can record your points. This is the end of our class. Well done. Today you practiced grammar, corrected sentences, and explained your reasoning. Next time you write or speak in English, try to notice these common mistakes. But don't worry if you make mistakes. It's all part of learning. I'll see you in our next class where we'll discuss gerunds. Feel free to read in advance about it. Class dismissed. Great teamwork, everyone.